Hi, this is Srini from Cloudchoice and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about what's changed in automations inside Freshdesk. With Freshdesk's all new automations, you will now be able to set up your dispatcher, your supervisor, and your observer rules under one single module. Start out by clicking on the admin tab and scrolling down to automations under help desk productivity. You will now be able to configure any business rule based on when a ticket is created, based on time triggers, and based on updates applied to a certain ticket. You will also notice that the dispatcher rules under the ticket creation, the supervisor rules under time triggers, and the observer rules under the ticket updates. So here's what's new. You will now be able to optimize a number of rules inside your help desk by making use of the and or the or operators in a single rule, keeping them compact and clear. Once you're done with the rule, simply save the changes, and this brings you to a summary explaining all the steps involved in this particular rule and a description of what the rule will do. You can, however, choose to go back to edit it. In situations where a customer would like to thank an agent for his or her time, reopening a particular request can often indulge in hampering the response time of that particular agent. Our AI-powered Freddy will take care of this for you by looking into the intention of your customer responses and choosing whether or not to open it or close it. Often, we might create a number of rules not knowing whether or not they are being executed properly. With Freshdesk's all new automations, you will now be able to see the number of times a particular rule has run in the last 7 days. And now, as an admin, you will also be able to see the last modified time of that particular rule and also who it was done by. So, start getting into your old rules and revisit them by applying all these new changes to Freshdesk's automations. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one.